It feels like every week another multi-million-dollar finance tool hits the market with the same bold promise to finally kill the spreadsheets. They flash slick dashboards, AI-powered forecasting, and seamless cloud collaboration. But here's the funny thing. If you ask a CFO, a private equity partner, or a top financial analyst what they really use when the pressure is on, you'll get a very different answer. Despite constant reports of its demise, recent 2025 data suggests that about 70% of CFOs still heavily rely on Excel for planning and reporting. So do I. The popular narrative says Excel is a dinosaur, a tool from the 80s holding modern finance back. The reality on the ground? It remains the undisputed king. The real question is why? Why in an age of intelligent, automated platforms? Why does this so-called relic still dominate the most critical finance functions? The biggest myth is that new tools have made Excel obsolete. The truth is, Excel has quite a few core strengths that modern platforms have struggled to replicate. Radical flexibility, raw speed, and the fact that literally everybody knows how to use it. First up, flexibility. Excel is like a blank canvas for numbers. You can build literally anything. A complex financial model for a merger, a quick and dirty estimate for a new project, or a custom dashboard, without waiting for the IT department or paying a vendor for expensive support. Many new tools are powerful, but they are also rigid, forcing your unique business into their pre-built boxes. With Excel, if you can think it, you can build it. Second is sheer speed. For quick, ad hoc analysis, nothing is faster. When the CEO is asking for a quick scenario model, or an investor needs a one-off report, no one is going to log into a clunky, heavy platform. They're opening a spreadsheet. That ability to get immediate answers is a crucial part of finance that really gets lost in the talk about those large-scale systems. And finally, familiarity. Excel is the universal language of business. When two companies merge, they might have different accounting systems and a dozen of different finance tools, but they can always speak one common language, Excel. This dramatically cuts down on training and lets teams get to work on day one. Okay, but let's be honest. The Excel is dead narrative didn't come from nowhere. It's actually born from very real and very painful limitations. Anyone who has ever spent over an hour trying to track a broken formula in a chain of linked spreadsheets knows the agony. The biggest problems are manual errors and scalability. Studies have consistently shown that a shocking percentage of all corporate spreadsheets contain significant errors. That's the risk you run into with manual data entry. For a small business, it's a manageable risk. But for a large enterprise with dozens of people touching the same file, Excel becomes a bottleneck. It simply wasn't built for real-time updates, managing massive datasets, or secure multi-user collaboration. Tools like SharePoint have helped with version control and real-time editing, but they only go so far. Excel still wasn't built for true multi-user collaboration at scale. It's just the wrong tool for that specific job. And that's where you get the horror stories of million-dollar blunders and data corruption. These limitations are serious, and they are the entire reason that a new class of financial tools even exists. So this isn't a simple versus battle. The future of the CFO's toolkit isn't really replacing Excel. What we really need is upgrading it. And the market is smartly evolving towards a healthy coexistence. Many of the best new financial planning tools aren't trying to make Excel irrelevant. They're built to work with it. Platforms like DataRails, Vena Solutions, and others use Excel as the front end for their interface, the familiar canvas that everybody knows, while their platforms handle the heavy lifting of data integration, automation, and security on the back end. On top of this, now Excel is being amplified by AI. Tools like Microsoft's Copilot are now embedded directly in the spreadsheets, allowing finance professionals to generate complex formula suggestions, automate data cleaning, and even perform variance analysis using natural language prompts, instead of manually building a forecast. An analyst can now ask AI to project future trends based on historical data, which the tool then visualizes automatically. This hybrid approach offers the best of both worlds. Finance teams get the analytical freedom and flexibility of their trusted spreadsheets, but they eliminate the chaos of version control and the risk of manual errors. Data is pulled automatically from other systems, reports are updated in real time, and collaboration becomes seamless. Excel gets to be the dashboard for ideas and models, but it's plugged into a much more powerful and stable engine. This is the new reality of modern finance. We are not throwing out trusted tools. We are enhancing them and making them smarter. So I'm curious, what's your take? Is your finance team still running everything on pure Excel? Or have you embraced a hybrid approach? Let me know down in the comments. So is Excel dead for CFOs? Absolutely not. But its job description is changing. For small businesses and quick analysis, its low cost and flexibility still make it the ideal solution. For larger companies, its limits in a collaborative world are an issue. But even as companies bring on more sophisticated platforms, Excel remains at the heart of the finance stack, often enhanced, but rarely replaced. The debate was never really about if Excel would die, but about what it does best. For ad hoc analysis, custom modeling, and pure speed, it is and will remain undefeated. The future isn't a world without Excel, but a world with smarter Excel. I hope this video was interesting. Please leave a like and subscribe for more business finance content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.